the theater of magic.
Yep, looks good.
Hey, welcome to Clark's Place.
All right, it's been a couple months.
Yeah, we haven't done anything with this game.
Maybe 6 months.
Chris went this morning and
I replaced the caps.
Recapped it.
I had the kit, so I replaced him, and him. Got new caps in it. Reset all the connections, pushed all them in on all of the boards. Tested all the fuses, pulled all the fuses, tested all those. Because we were still having that intermittent issue where the flippers weren't working.
Yeah, the flippers wouldn't work. Well, there were two of them. Wouldn't work.
Those wooden flippers, they'll get you.
And the launch button wouldn't work when you pressed. It wouldn't auto launch.
Yeah, so lift it up and show kind of what we did to trace.
Well, we would lift it up, and one time we'd lift it up about here, and all of a sudden flippers were working.
Yeah, I just kept on doing this the whole time. We reseat all the connections, so like we unplugged and replugged every single connection in the game, thinking there might be a little, I don't know, corrosion or something on them.
You looked, we got the purple with the orange.
Yep, we traced those back to the board.
So we were looking at
71 volts.
Down there, we thought we'll come here. He found some tape.
I found a piece of tape wrapped around this. You can see.
We'll put some more tape on it.
It's bare wire right there. And I thought, oh, maybe. And then I was tracing, cut all the zip ties, and then saw that this stinking wire
Here's one cut
goes through the playfield. So I was like, oh, we might have a bad connection up top. So
he came up here, and he just touched these wires, and the one came off, which he soldered it back on.
Yeah, just
soldered it back on. All of them are working fine.
Everything is bulletproof now.
So
now we're gonna time lapse, shap it out, and maybe throw some LEDs in it.
You can see how filthy it is.
Oh, it's still nice.
But
nice
yet the playfield's gorgeous.
Yeah,
I mean it's got
really nice.
You know, ball marks, but
we might have to. We'll pull all this off.
All this is coming off.
Just clean
We got
everything.
a new decal for this we had already.
Oh yeah.
And the back glass, well, I haven't turned it on.
Yeah, it'll be neat to actually play this game because I've never really played it.
And you can start a game.
Ball missing, it says.
Oh, it's probably. Why is it saying ball missing? Maybe it does take 4. No, it says install 3 balls.
Yep.
So I don't know why it's saying that. Yeah, see that
Is there a captive ball that it holds one somewhere?
Oh, it might. Here. Now let's see.
Introducing Al's Garage Band! Stitching!
And you can feel the flippers.
Oh yeah.
Metal Monster! Super Skin!
See, not all those lights are working. There we go.
Moscow.
Oh, that lights your video mode.
Comes up.
Oh, hit both flippers, play the video. Oh, you're playing drums. Hit both flippers.
Oh yeah, I see.
Super Skin! Don't quit your day job, kiddo.
Okay.
Alright, well we may do a... Yeah, it looks like all incandescents all over the place, so...
I'm taking the balls out.
We're gonna time-lapse, tear it apart, clean it up, time-lapse, put it back together, and then maybe I'll do another video of us playing head-to-head Heat on a game neither one of us have played. Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the difference how faded out that is.
Yep. Does it have a date when I ordered this?
Don't know.
No.
I mean, I've had this game for what?
Oh, 11/5 of 2021 is when I ordered this. So it's been almost a year.
Yeah, I've had this game for a while, and yeah, we'll get it, play it. The outside, the red is not faded.
It's the same as Guns N' Roses right there. Look, how similar.
Oh yeah,
all their posters from around the world.
Yeah,
Same over there.
Too bad Al wasn't the guy.
This one's just worth 1,000, and that's worth 10.
Yeah.
I don't know. This might be worth
3 or 4, something like that.
I don't know.
Because it's in such nice shape, and
There's
it's pretty.
an Al's Garage Band fan
And
out
it's
there.
an obscure game. I don't think they made a whole lot of them.
Was it Alvin G? It's Gottlieb.
Alvin G. Yeah, and company.
All right. Well,
And it's clean. I mean, it's a pretty clean game. It just needs to be shopped.
Yeah, I forget what else I already recorded, so I may throw this in with whatever else we recorded.
Cool.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll put all LEDs in it.
Yeah. All right. We'll get going.
All right. Enjoy the time lapse.
Doo-doo-doo. Alright, Dad was filming until battery died.
All back together. Beautiful game. The playfield is beautiful. Everything works. Want to show?
Sure.
Introducing Al's Garage Band!
Oh, it's the band!
Hey, watch it.
Feedback!
Feedback. You are excellent. This doesn't look like the start of a pinball tutorial video. 2 balls green.
Silver!
Seems like the right flipper's a little weaker than the left,
Moscow.
so we may rebuild that flipper.
Silver!
Left one's good.
Don't quit your day job, kiddo. Stitchy! Tour again?
Oh, you got a tour multi-ball, I guess.
Yeah.
That came out of the ramp. That wasn't supposed to do that. I did a little cartwheel here. Yeah, you need a screw on this. Yeah, I think so. It's got a hole, but no screw. Why did your game end when you had 2 balls on the table?
I don't know. What do you say it needs?
There's a, looks like a screw hole, but it looked like the ball hit and flopped out right here. Like it hit there and flopped right out. Because it landed right there instead of going up over there. All right, a little more tweaking of the game, but back together and for sale, Pop.
Yeah, for sale.
All right, if somebody wants an Al's Garage Band, goes on a world tour. Oh, he put the topper on it
Got
too.
the original topper on it.
Yeah, it looks
Beautiful,
pretty
beautiful condition. I think it's been in the bottom forever.
good. Yeah, looks good.
And this is really nice. Back box. It's got the lock, original key.
Like I said, it's
It's not beat up.
exactly the same game as that one right there.
Yeah, it is like a Guns N' Roses.
It's the same game. I mean,
Yeah, you go in through it. Whoop, watch the glass.
yep. All right, looks good. I'll post this video, then we'll do a gameplay video later.